This video describes a project completed at Louisiana Tech University in Engineering 122, a class in the Living with the Lab first year engineering sequence. When new parents bring home their baby for the first time, it can be nerve-wracking. What is even more concerning is how to care for them when they get sick. When you Google what to do when my baby has a fever, you're flooded with thousands of opinions, tips, and tricks. KidsHealth.org says that the most important thing to do is to check to see if their temperature is rising or falling, keep the baby hydrated, and let them get lots of rest. Another source says to check their temperature every hour to 2 hours, but when it comes down to it, don't wake them up. The problem is that thermometers today are contact-based. The product I've designed will ease parents' minds, collect real-time temperature readings, and won't wake the baby. It's the Pacifier Thermometer. As you can see here, the pacifier contains a thermistor that will check the baby's temperature, and inside of the comfort item, there is an RGB LED connected to the Arduino that glows different colors corresponding to the temperature. Let's take a closer look at the coding. First, the thermistor takes a temperature reading and the program converts the analog value into Fahrenheit. Next is a series of if-else statements that implement a set of user-defined functions. I got the temperature caps from a nurse who suggested that below 98 is a normal temperature, from 98 to 100 is a low fever, and 100 and above is a high fever. The user-defined functions are what cause the RGB LED to glow corresponding to the temperature. Blue for normal, green for low fever, and red for high fever. So, I would like to show you how it works. To show you how it works, I'm going to be taking the temperature of this warm glass of water. I've propped up the comfort item. As you can see, the RGB LED right here is going to change when I put the pacifier into the water, and the thermistor will read the temperature. So, as the temperature rises, the color will change. It might take just a second. Now it's green, showing that the temperature got above 98 degrees. And now it's red, showing that the temperature got above 100 degrees. Now, if I place it down or take it out, it should slowly go back to blue. Just as naturally how the thermometer cools off. It's green and now blue. This project combined biomedical, civil, and electrical engineering. It was mainly biomedical engineering, seeing that the pacifier thermometer was a bioinstrument using a thermistor sensor to monitor the temperature of the baby. But you had some electrical with the wiring and making sure that the circuits were safe inside of the comfort item, and also cyber with the thermistor communicating with the Arduino Uno and to the RGB LED. The pacifier thermometer, in conclusion, is a way that parents can see what the baby's temperature is without contact. This allows the parents to peep into the room, see the color of the RGB LED, and know if the temperature has risen or lowered, and the baby gets to continue sleeping.